in South Shields today at the Great North Dog Walk. We're now outside the Pedigree tent where we've been talking about Feed the Good and getting loads of photos of people with their dogs and also taking them through the Pedigree Tracks app.
My name's Tony Carlisle. I'm the founder organiser of the world's largest dog walk, this year sponsored by Pedigree. This event has grown from 1990, when we had 13 dogs, to this event now, which I think is a new world record, unofficially, towards 28,000 dogs.
We're here to meet dog owners. There's 30,000 of them. We want to get as many stories as we possibly can, and we want to encourage people to exercise their dogs more, feed them the right amount of food, and just generally have a bit of fun doing that as well. Here's the finish line. This is where people end up after they've gone for their walk around the coast. Beautiful day, the sun is now out, and as they come back in they get a nice certificate and they're going to get directed over to the Pedigree tent where they have a photo taken, get some free treats, and we're posting all of those photos up on Facebook.
Feed the Good! Yay!
So many different types of dogs, it's unreal.
My name's Claire and this is Poppy, and we've got dogs to keep fit and get out, and because I absolutely love them.
Because she's my bestest friend in the whole world.
The sun's out, everybody's smiling. There was 28,000 dogs registered to come here on this walk. So many happy families sharing that experience with their dogs. An amazing, amazing day.